Okay, welcome to online education. This is T. Narahari, lecturer in mathematics, head department of mathematics at GDC Mabad. Again, we study of more subspaces of a vector space, that is null space and column space. Today Today I am going to explain definition of null space, problems. Today I am going to null space, problems, theorem on subspace and problems. Okay, now see what is the null space, how to take the definition of null space. Listen, see. Definition of a null space. Definition of a null space. Listen. Let A is a M cross N matrix. A is a M cross N matrix. Let you take. Here M is rows, number of rows. N is number of columns. Number of columns. Now define null space of matrix A M by N class. Here we see this. A is a M cross N matrix. Here you consider null space is null space written as null A. Written as null A. How to construct this null A? Listen, see. How to construct the null A? Here, null A is the set of all homogeneous. So, set of all solutions of homogeneous equations Ax is equal to 0. This is the case. Ax is equal to 0. Right side is 0. This type of equations is called homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equation means Ax is equal to 0. In our matrices, Ax is equal to B. B is a constant. Right side equations. Ax is linear equation. B is a constant. Like that 2x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 6. Here 6 is there, constant. Here right side put 0. That is homogeneous equations. That is called homogeneous linear equations. Now Ax is equal to 0, where right side is 0. See, please observe, see. Right side is 0. These equations are called homogeneous linear equations. Solutions of this equation, Ax is equal to 0. All solutions, numbers in null A. That is defined. That is the constructed by null A. How to construct null A? Solutions of Ax is equal to 0. Ax is equal to 0 means that is linear homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation means right side put 0. That is the problem. Here this is null. You write totally how to construct our null set, null A. So you are right null A. Write this way. This is set X such that X came from X is also element of R power N and Ax is equal to 0. Ax is equal to 0 means it is homogeneous equation. A is a matrix, X is a variable. This multiply these two, 0 answer. Which variable, which number is substitute in X place? That is represent 0. This is a solution. This solution is a number in null A. Solution is a number in null A. Here x power r power n. R power n means in our matrix is given m by n. M is rows, n is columns. How to exist our matrix multiplication? Listen, see. This is rows and columns. Here rows, m rows is there. Right, see, columns is n. Multiplied number, multiplied matrices, put n. This is r power n. X is also element of r power n. This is column. X power r power n means it is also be vector space, no doubt at all. R power n, here n is called columns in our given matrix. Listen, see, it is x is also element of r power n and ax is equal 0. This is null A definition set constructed. Once again, see, null A how to constructed, see, ax is equal to 0. What is ax? Ax is a homogeneous linear equation. Homogeneous linear equation means, listen, see, right side not constant, right side put 0. That is ax is equal to 0. That is the case. Now listen, here null A is constructed by this way. Now it is the definition of null A. What is the null A definition? Definition of a null space. The null space of M cross N matrix A written as null A is the set of all solutions to the homogeneous equation Ax is equal to 0 in the set notation null A is equal to x such that x is in r power n and ax is equal to 0. This is the definition of null space. Now problems on this null space. Listen, see, this is important problems given 2-3 times under 4 marks or 6 marks in our Kakti University. This is our first problem. Listen, see, here A is equal to given matrix. What is given matrix? Here 1, -3, -2, -5, 9, 1. Let U is equal to is given 5, 3, -2. Determine if U belonging to null A. Given U is belonging to null A. ఈ U అనేది null Aలో ఉంటుందా అని అడుగుతున్నారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ క్వశ్చన్. Null A, U is also element of null A where U is given, A is given. What is the null A definition? Null A is x is there here. X element of R power n. Ax is equal to 0. Ax is equal to 0 means this is what about C? Homogeneous equation. Solution of homogeneous. X is a variable. This variable is a solution of this homogeneous equation. This x is in null A. This ఎప్పుడైతే ఇది హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్కి సొల్యూషన్ అవుతుందో, హోమోజీనియస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇది సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుందో అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎక్స్ అనేది null Aలో అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు హియర్ u is equal to take here u is equal to x. What right? See, ax is equal to 0. You multiply ax is equal to 0. This is x is given under u, a is given under the matrix. Now multiply this. U is equal to a is 1 -3 -2 -5 9 1 into c 5 3 -2. This is c. It is true. Once again, it is rows and it is columns. This is given. This is belonging to null. This is column. Number of elements, entry 1 2 3 entries. In our given C, 1 2 3 entries is there. It is m, it is our n. Here given n2 only, but is C in the case. Here 5 3 -2. Multiply these two. How to multiply? This is select here first matrix row, second matrix column. This is 1 5 of 5 -3. Yes. 1 5 of 5 -3 plus -9 plus 4. Again -5 -25 3 9 into 3 27 -2. Listen, 5 plus 4, 9 minus 9. This is 0. And 27 minus 25 minus 2 plus 27 cancel 0. This is whatever result AU is equal to 0. Here given set, listen, AX is equal to 0. Here x is variable. What is variable here? 5 minus 3 minus 2. This is satisfied. A is equal to 0. E multiply cheste. Under this multiplication A into U, you get 0. U is, therefore, U is also element of, what about C? Null A. This is the case. U is also element of null A. This type of problems given 4 marks or 2-3 times in our Kakati University listen. Similarly, same way, in here W is equal to is given. See, 1, 3 minus 4. And A is also be there. What about 3 minus 5 minus 3? 6 minus 2, 0. Minus 8, 4, 1. This is A and U. Now again question. U is also element of null A. U అనేది null A లో ఉంటుందా అంటే సేమ్ కండిషన్. AU is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 అంటే ఏను యూతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే U is multiplied with A represent 0. U is in null A. U is in null A. This is the case. Now again A is 3 minus 5 minus 3, 6 minus 2, 0, minus 8, 4, 1. Here what about 1, 3 minus 4? Here this step you take. What is that? See, 3 1 ja 3 plus 5 3 is 15 minus 15 plus 12. Second, 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 2 is 6, 0 plus 0. Minus 8, 12, minus 4. See, listen. 12 plus 3, 15, minus 15, cancel, 0. Here minus 6, minus 6, 0. Minus 8, 12, 12, 0. This is represent C. 0, 0 represent. Now what to write? C? Sir, AU is equal to 0. Therefore, U is also element of R power n. Sorry, U is also element of null A. This is the case. This type of problems under given 2-3 times 4 marks under the Kakati University. This is the paper model of Kakati University. This is the problems. That is the definition. Null A definition. It is very important. It is very important. Listen, see, this is the case. Now, second go to, this is the topic, whatever see. Now, take the theorem. What is that? See, already above I am told what about, see, null space problems. Null space is a subspace. Now going to show, it is theorem is very important theorem. See, null space is a theorem. What about, see, null space is a theorem is very important. Null space of an M cross N matrix, M cross N matrix, M cross N matrix. This is M cross N matrix. Here, see, what about, see, R power N, null space. Null space of matrix A. That is null A. That is null A. See, this is the theorem. Here is a subspace. Is a going to show is a subspace. Now, null A, how to define? It is important. X is a element in null A when you are giving the condition under such that under this line. ఈ లైన్ తర్వాత ఈ ఎక్స్ ఎలా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుందో ఇక్కడ చెప్తాడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ టు ఎగ్జిస్ట్ దిస్. సి, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కేస్. ఏఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఏఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే ఏఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయ్యేటట్లుగా ఎక్స్ ఉంటే ఎక్స్ నల్ ఏలో ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ద కేస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెట్. దిస్ గోయింగ్ టు షో ఈజ్ ఎ సబ్ స్పేస్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టర్ స్పేస్. ఇది సబ్ స్పేస్ అని చూపించాలి. Okay, already knows. Verify the subspace properties. Verify the subspace properties. Subspace properties. Subspace properties verify cheste. All properties are satisfied. This null A is a subspace, no doubt. Otherwise, not subspace. See this. This is homogeneous equation, right? Null A going to show. What about C? Null, you know, Ax is equal to 0 means A is a matrix, X is a 1, will also be matrix. This is Ax is equal. Any equation, listen, 5x plus 2x plus 6 is 6, 2x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 0. You substitute x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. This is satisfied, this equation, no doubt. 2 into 0, 3 into 0, 6 into 0. Each and every homogeneous equation satisfied with 0. This is important. 0 is a trivial solution of Ax is equal to 0. This is the case. Ax is equal to 0. 0 is a trivial solution of homogeneous equation. System of homogeneous equation, no doubt. X is equal to Ax is equal to x and any variables into any variables. X1, how many variables are there? X, Y, Z. X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0. That equation satisfied. System of homogeneous equation satisfied with 0. Here, what about see Ax is equal to 0? It is, you know that clearly 0 satisfied. This equation is satisfied with 0. There exists only 0 in null A. 0 is null A. That is, see, null A is not equal to G, null set. Is not equal to null set. ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక్క నెంబర్ అయినా there exists a one number in null A. But null A always null set. అంటే ఇందులో ఎలిమెంట్స్ లేకుండా ఉండదు. ఇందులో ఎలిమెంట్స్ లేకుండా ఉంటే డెఫినేషన్ మనకి కుదరదు. అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా అట్లీస్ట్ సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ దెర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 0. But about 0 is satisfied all homogeneous equations. But there exists 0 in null A. Null set is first to prove this case. Null A is not equal to null set. Now, here going to show what about C. Now, verify the what's C? Vector space properties. Vector space properties. How to verify vector space properties? Subspace property. Subspace properties, how many properties are there? 0 is also element of H. Second one, U plus V is also element of H. Third one, UU is also element of H. It is identity, under addition. It is closure, under addition. It is SM closure. SM closure means scalar multiplication closure. Scalar multiplication. These three properties verified in null A set. Null A set satisfied these three properties, it is a subspace. Otherwise not subspace. Now see, one by one. 0 is also element of null A. Now first case. 0 అనేది null A లో ఉంటుందా? Already is told in above. What about C? 0 is a trivial solution. ఇది కంపల్సరీ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ట్రైవల్ సొల్యూషన్స్. దిస్ ట్రైవల్ వర్డ్ ఆల్రెడీ యు నో ఇన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద గ్రూప్ థియరీ, రింగ్ థియరీ అండ్ ఆల్ ఫీల్డ్ థియరీ. నౌ కమ్ టు దిస్ ట్రైవల్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. దిస్ ఈస్ సొల్యూషన్. ట్రైవల్ సొల్యూషన్ మీన్స్ దిస్ is name of trivial, always exist. That is trivial solution. 0 is also element of null A. How to say Ax is equal to 0? X దగ్గర మనం 0 పెట్టుకుంటే A0 is equal to 0. No doubt. A0 is equal to 0 అంటే ఏంటి? What is that? 0 is a trivial solution of system of homogeneous linear equation. Therefore, 0 is there in null A. 0 is there in null A set. Null A set. Please. 0 ఉంటుంది. 0 ఎందుకు ఉంటుందంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి. AX ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి 0 అనేది ఇందులో ఉంటుంది డెఫినెట్లీ. Here also be 0 is also element of null A. This is our discussion or argument. What 0? 0 is identity element. Identity with respect to addition. Property 1 completed. Now second property. What second property? How to show second property? Listen, see second property. Second property, how to show second property? Listen. It is closure property under addition. Closure property under addition. Listen, see. How to prove this? U is also element of null A and V is also element of null A. That implies U plus V is also element of null A for all. It is important. ఈ ప్రూఫ్ అంటే U అనేది null Aలో, V అనేది null Aలో. U is in null A, V is null A. Sum of these two is also a element in null A. That is the closure property. Here plus is given. Under these two plus is there. That is addition. That is called addition. Now see, what about U is also element of null A. When it is a element in null A, null Aలో ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది x అనేది ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ 0 చేస్తే ఉంటుంది. AX ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఈడ ఏదో సి ఈడ ఏదో y తీసుకో. y తీసుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది AY ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుంది. ఈడ ఏదో జెడ్ తీసుకో ఇందులో null Aలో ఇది తీసుకో జెడ్ టేక్ ఇన్ null A. వాట్ అబౌట్ సి AZ is equal to 0. That is C. Here U is also null A means AU is equal to 0. Similarly, V is also element of null A. That implies AV is equal to 0. Now what about this sum? U plus V sum. This sum is also be 0. That is also element of V. Now going to show A into U plus V. What about this? AU plus AV. AU is represent 0. BV is represent 0 in above. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That is A into U plus V is equal to 0. And what about see AX is equal to 0. When X is also element of null A. Here see AU is equal to 0. Therefore, U plus V is also element of null A. That is the case. Second case also be satisfied. Now, third property, CU is also element of null A. C is also element of F first. U is also element of null A. U is of null A means condition AU is equal to 0. This multiplied these two. C into AU. Now write this. AU write inside. C into AU. AU you know that what about 0? The C into 0 is equal to 0. What about C into AU? What C? AU is equal to 0. Now that CU is equal to 0 answer. But see, CU is also element of null A. This is three conditions. Under these three conditions, what? Null A. Under these three conditions, null A is a subspace of vector space V, or that is R power n. That is null A. Therefore, null A is a subspace of R power n. Subspace of R power n. This is the property of our theorem. What is theorem? Null space of M cross n matrix is subspace of R power n. The set of all solutions to a system Ax is equal to 0 of homogeneous linear equation known as a subspace of R power n. That is, now see the problem, one of the problem here. Okay, see, first problem is, see, under this subspace, right? Already you know subspace definition. Any subset of V vector space is a linear span by a set, then it is a subspace. That condition you will see this. What about find a spanning set? Finding a spanning set for the null space of the matrix the matrix is given -3 6 -1 1 -7 1 -2 2 3 -1 2 -4 5 8 -4. See here, spanning is given in the find spanning set of null space. Spanning ఎందుకు ఇచ్చినట్టు ఇక్కడ? Why is given the word? Already in our above theorem, null space, null A is a subspace, proved. Subspace R power n. Already proved. What about, see, null A is a subspace of R power n. Subspace means all subspace is a spanned by a set. Subspace is spanned by a set. ఒక సెట్తో స్పాన్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్రెడీ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సి హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్పాన్ ఆఫ్ V1 V2. ఆల్రెడీ యూ నో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ సబ్స్పేస్. ఒక సెట్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక స్పాన్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఇప్పుడు నల్ ఏ ఇప్పుడు చూపించాల్సిందంటే నల్ ఏ ఈ స్పాన్ బై V1 V2 V3. V1 V2 V3 ఆర్ V1 V2 హౌ మెనీ నెంబర్స్ స్పాన్ బై వీటితో స్పాన్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఈ సబ్స్పేస్. నల్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఏ సబ్స్పేస్. హియర్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం ఈ టెక్నికల్ వర్డ్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పాన్ సెట్. ఇది స్పాన్ సెట్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పుకుంటారు. స్పాన్ సెట్ అవుతుంది అంత నమ్మకం ఆయనకు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది? సబ్స్పేస్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఆయనకు అంత నమ్మకం ఉంది. That is a moral. See, that is. Here, see, how to say this case? Here A is equal is given -3, 6, -1, 1, -7, 1, 2, 2, 3, -1. See, 2, -4, 5, 8, -4. You take A0 argument matrix in our A0. Take this argument matrix. Because here all Ax is equal 0. Ax is equal 0 means what is that? Ax is equal 0 means that is all homogeneous system of homogeneous equations. Right side put 0. You take A0. Here see, now you change in matrix operation. You know this is change. R2 is changed to R1. R1 is changed to R1. That is 1, 2, 2, 3 -1. Put 0 again. -3, 6, -1, 1, -7, 0. And this 2, -4, 5, 8, -4, 0. This. First you see this is 0, this is 0. You take the operations. What to take the operations here? R2 is R3 is R2 ప్లస్ 3R1. దీని 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 3 + 3 అండ్ -3 0. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ చేయాలి. నౌ R3 is R3 minus 2R1. According to this, you change this. First row you not change. 1, 2, 2, 3, -1, 0. Here 2 1 are 2. This is multiplied 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 -3 0. 6 -6 0. 5 10 -10 0 0. Now next 0 0 1 2 minus 2 0. This is case. Again you see this 0, this 0. You see it is R2 row 5 10 minus 10 10. R2 is by 5. See this 1 2 2 3 minus 10, sorry, minus 1, minus 1 0 0 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 minus 2 0. Here 0 0 1 1 2 minus 2 0. Simply again these two subtraction, this ఇది 0 చేయడానికి, that is R2 minus R3. You write R3. Here 1 2, last step 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 3 0, 0 0 1 2 minus 2 0, 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is last step of after rows and columns. You get this. Now again resubstitute the variables. It is x1, this is x1, listen, minus x1 x2 x3 0 x4 x5. This is case x1 minus 2 x2 0 minus x4 plus x5 is equal to 0, plus x5 is equal to 0. Now next second x3 plus 2x4 2x5 is equal to 0. Last here write first one equation 1 and 2. From 1 x1 is equal to 2x2 plus x4 minus x5. From second equation you write x3 is equal to minus 2x4 plus 2x5. What is that sum? General solution is x1 is dependent on x2 x4 x5, x3 is dependent on x4 x5. It is what about see x2 x3 x4 are free elements. x1 x3 with x2 x4 x5 are free elements. You write our x1 x2 x3 x4. This is here x1 you write our answer 2x2 plus x4 minus x5. Now next x2, now x3 is equation minus 2x4 plus 2x5. Here x4 is x4, x5 x5 is x5. You write this. Here you write what about C? x2 is common, 2 1, no x2 term in this, that is 0, no x2 0 0. Now common x4 plus x4, here 1 no 0, x4 minus 2, here no 0 0, plus x5 is minus 1, here x5 no 0, x5 2, here x5 no, here 1. This is the spanning set. This is C. What about C? Here here x1 x2 x3 x4 x5 is spanning up this and this and this, spanning up this these three. Spanning set is what about C? Write spanning set of this 2 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 minus 2 0 0, and you write 1 0 2 0 1. This is the spanning null. Null space ఏమవుతుందంటే these three vectors. Null space is spanned by these three vectors. అంటే null spaceలో ఉండేటువంటి ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్, ప్రతి వెక్టర్ని ఈ మూడు vectorsతో, these three vectors linear combination, there exists a linear combination of these three vectors, each and every element of null space, because is a subspace. This is the case. Again 2 and 3 problems also be there. You try itself. today class. Thank you. Again, next class you see. Again, in next class you see some other important definitions. Here, column and space you see next class. Thank you once again.